Meaning of Hellene.
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 Hellene. The term Hellene generally refers to an ancient Greek person or a descendant of ancient Greeks. It is derived from the Greek word Hellas, which was used by the ancient Greeks to refer to their homeland. The term has been used over the centuries by various individuals and groups to identify with ancient Greek culture, history, and language. Today, it is more commonly used within academic and scholarly circles as a way to describe the people of ancient Greece and their culture. Overall, the term Hellene is tied to the rich history and legacy of ancient Greece and its enduring influence on Western civilization.